day. This is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, April 15th, 2023. It is 5:14 and 42 seconds, a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, and today's research, Exoplanet Discovery. New exoplanet discovery, date April 13th, 2023. Source, University of Texas, San Antonio. Astronomers report the first exoplanet jointly discovered through direct imaging and precision astrometry, a new indirect method that identifies a planet by measuring the position of the star it orbits. An exoplanet, also called an extrasolar planet, is a planet outside a solar system that orbits another star. With direct imaging, astronomers can see an exoplanet's light in a telescope and study its atmosphere. However, only about 20 have been directly imaged over the past 15 years. As by contrast, indirect planet detection methods determine a planet's existence through its effect on the star it orbits. This approach can provide detailed measurements of the planet's mass and orbit, combining direct and indirect methods to examine a planet's position provides a more complete understanding of an exoplanet. Indirect planet detection methods are responsible for most exoplanet discoveries. Thus far, using one of these methods, precision astrometry told them where to look to try to image planets, and, as they found out, they can now see planets a lot easier. The newly discovered exoplanet, called HIP 99770b, is about 14 to 16 times the mass of Jupiter and orbits a star that is nearly twice as massive as the Sun. The planetary system also shares similarities with the outer regions of our solar system. HIP 99770b receives about as much light as Jupiter, our solar system's most massive planet, receives from the Sun. Its host star is surrounded by icy debris left over from planet formation, similar to our solar system's Kuiper Belt, the ring of icy objects observed around the Sun. The researchers advanced their discovery by making a catalog predecessor, providing a 25-year record of accurate star positions and motions. It revealed that the star HIP 99770 is likely being accelerated by the gravitational pull of the unseen planet. The discovery of HIP 99770b is significant because it opens a new avenue for scientists to discover and characterize exoplanets more comprehensively than ever before. As shedding light on the diversity and evolution of planetary systems using indirect methods to guide efforts to image planets, we also someday lead scientists closer to the first images of other Earths, and this is the first of many discoveries that we expect to have. We are in a new era of studying extrasolar planets. And this is a Professor of Astronomy, Advanced Physics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research, and this video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.